Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Jello for Halloween. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To make this amazing Jello, we need very few ingredients. I have strawberry Jello, pineapple Jello, cups, and hot water. So let's get started.
To make this amazing Jello, of course, I am using this kind of Jello, de Gatti. The combination of the strawberry and pineapple, just amazing. I am going to add 3 cups of very hot boiling water. And of course, I'm going to add the strawberry Jello inside. I am going to mix it for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that it dissolves completely. This part is very important. You want to make sure that all the granules are dissolved before you start making and assembling your Jello in individual cups. I'm going to do the same thing with the pineapple mixture of the Jello. I'm using this kind of Jello because it's so easy to prepare, but yet the flavors are so intense of the strawberry and pineapple, and the combination of both this Jello really comes out delicious. You could enjoy it year round, and I am sure you're going to love it. And here I'm going to do the same thing, adding it to 3 cups of very hot water, mixing it for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I am going to put it aside and let it rest until it comes to room temperature. This part is very important. You want to make sure that the Jello is nice and it's at room temperature before you start making and assembling your individual desserts. Look at this. It's gonna take about half an hour before they come to room temperature, but now I am ready to start adding the strawberry mixture into my individual cups. I'm gonna take it to the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. I want it just to get it a little bit nice and firm. You don't want the Jello to be firm at all. You just want it to get a little bit of thickness, and then you are ready to add the other layer of the pineapple. And be careful because you don't want to tear the Jello on the bottom. I am going to continue adding the pineapple mixture into the individual cups. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes before I add the other layer of the strawberry. This is really time consuming, but let me tell you, the combination of both this dessert really comes out delicious, and it's perfect for a homemade dessert for Halloween. Look how easy it is. Well, now I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. While the Jello is getting nice and firm, I'm preparing my whipping cream, the heavy whipping cream. You want to mix for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. And now I am ready to transfer it to a little baggie for the decoration. Look at this. It's really fluffy, and this heavy whipping cream already comes with the sugar, so I don't need to add any powdered sugar or vanilla extract. I'm going to get the air out, and then I am ready to decorate the individual cups of Jello. If you have little ones, invite them to the kitchen, have them help you prepare and decorate your individual cups of Jello. Of course, I have the sprinkles and I have the decoration for the Jellos. Look how easy this is. When it's homemade, of course, with lots of love, everything comes out amazing. And if you have little ones, they could even help you adding the sprinkles and adding the decoration right on the top. Look at this. I'm going to add the whipping cream right on the top. The decoration is very easy to prepare. You decide what kind of decoration you want to add. I'm just adding a little bit of orange sprinkles, of course, for Halloween, and I'm adding the decoration on the top. Look how easy this decoration is. I'm gonna continue making the second one. Believe me, your family is really going to enjoy these individual cups of desserts. Be generous with their heavy whipping cream. It tastes amazing. And with the flavor of the strawberry and pineapple, well, of course, you're going to love it. I'm going to add the sprinkles on the top. You could leave it just like that if you want, just with the sprinkles. But let me show you, the kids are really going to love these individual desserts for Halloween. Look how gorgeous they look. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and of course, be part of my family. Thank you for being here. I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you in just a little bit.
Friends, I am completely done with this amazing Jello for Halloween. If I could make it at home, of course you can make it at home, and if you have little ones, have them help you. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. You know that the whipped cream is always delicious, and the Jello, amazing. Excuse me. The combination of the strawberry and pineapple, amazing. I hope, my friends, you can make this amazing Jello at home. Easy, make it with your families, and I know you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.